Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this look, which is just a green smoky eye. So if you want to learn how to recreate this, then just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. Kiss me. So first, we're going to start off looking a little bit like this. Oh girl. But we're going to prep the skin. I'm using a hydrating serum, moisturizer, and of course SPF. And I'm just going to mix all those three together and apply that on my face. You also can't forget to moisturize those lips, girlfriend. Now I'm going to start off by doing my brows using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade Dark Brown. And I'm just going to fill in my natural brow shape and fill in those extra sparse areas. Then I'm going to prime my lids with Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, which is just my regular concealer, and I'm going to blend that in to prep for eyeshadow. For eyeshadow, I'm using the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, taking Puree and Peaches and Cream, using those two shades in my transition to build it up and make it nice and blown out. Then I'm using Charmed, I'm sure a darker shade, and I'm patting that on the outer V and then slowly blending it into the crease as well. This look requires a lot of blending, so just blend away, sis. Next, for the lid shade, I'm taking Bless Her Heart, applying that on my brush and spraying it to get the pigment to pop a little more. And I'm just going to apply that onto my lids. Going back in with Charmed, I'm sure I'm just going to keep adding a little bit more of that color onto the crease and blending it in to add more depth. Then I'm going to highlight my brow bone with the lightest color in the palette and just sweep that under my brows. Then I'm going to use a Nectar to highlight my inner corners, and I'm also going to run that through my brow bone as well. Okay, girl. Now for mascara, I'm using Maybelline Big Shot, and I'm just going to coat them before lashes. I'm going to use my favorite Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive, apply those on those lashes, and pop them on. Once lashes are on, we can move on to the face using my e.l.f. Poreless Primer and just prepping my skin. Then using my favorite foundation, which is the Loreal Infallible in the shade 105. And I'm just going to cover up all those little blemishes, girl, and just blend that into our skin using a Morphe Beauty Sponge to do so. After I realized the foundation's a little too dark, I just kept going. I'm going to put concealer on using the same one we used to prep our eyes, conceal any blemishes, and brighten up the under eye, and just blend it out, of course. Then I'm going to bake using the airspun translucent powder and just run that under my eyes. Using the Rimmel Stay Matte powder, I'm just going to set the rest of my face.
My bitch drive an all white rank. Couldn't hit it and you lying. You had it and you lost all the shine.
Once our little dance party is over, I'm going to sweep away the bake with my e.l.f. flat top brush and move on to the lower lash line. Using the same colors I put in my crease. And I always get eyeshadow in my contacts, but what is new? Going to run some waterproof mascara on my lower lash line. And then use this Lancome Kohl pencil in black and just line my waterline. I will always have all the products listed down below in case you missed them. Now I'm baking with the translucent powder, just making a little guideline before I go in with bronzer, using the Bahama Mama bronzer. I will switch the brush and wipe away the bake and use a different brush to contour the face a little more and contour my forehead. Now for blush, going in with Milani Luminoso and an E4 brush by Morphe. I'm just going to apply that onto my cheeks. I love how this looks. It is such a pretty blush. Now I'm going back in with a blending brush and blending my eyes once more, just to make sure they look perfect. Now for highlighter, I'm using Champagne Pop by Becca Cosmetics with a Morphe M501 brush, and I'm just highlighting the tops of my cheeks, also my nose, the bridge of my nose, and my chin as well, and Cupid's bow. So now I'm letting down my mane I call hair, but we're going to fix this real quick. I'm just going to straighten it and here we are, looking a little more poppin'. Now for lips, I'm going in with MAC Velvet Teddy. Just going to apply that onto my lips and top it off with a buxom gloss. And that completes the makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like it, comment, and give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. As always, stay poppin'. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Bandana. Big sack, a lot of hoes like Santa. Threw a birthday party in a phantom. Big shit like a dinosaur did it. What it do, boo?
Diamond chains on my ankle. Young money in the cut like a shank doll.